Constant adjustments.
Today we are going to be servicing the Lexus. Gonna go to Driftland. Needs a fresh service. 5W30. Got the car on stand. The coilover fitted the other day. Sitting in quite low. Size 10. Not far off now. There we go. No! Crap, man! So just let it. The Driftland journey begins. Oh my god, forget this. Whoa. Driving to Yorkshire Dale. They look absolutely marvellous. Absolutely crazy. We're in heaven. Wow. It's actually been almost 4 hours now. Approximately another 2 hours away from Driftland. But the scenes just get better and better. The sun has hit the top of the mountain. There's wind turbines everywhere you look, you know. Whoa, man, this Lexus V6. Oh my god. Oh, Vin Diesel just won the race. Okay, guys, it's been 5.5 hours of driving. 5.5 hours. We are 30 minutes away from Driftland and I'm really excited. Hopefully the car doesn't break down or anything like that happens or anybody crash into us, but we are gonna get to Driftland. Less than 10 minutes away from Driftland now. I've got the car topped up with petrol. I think in total £90 in petrol. It's not great. I got a slight bad news in the car. I've installed the coilovers in the car and I realised that when you go for a drive it starts to settle, and what's happening now is one starting to settle more lower than the other one, so the car's imbalanced. So in the small little bend, without even trying, the car just wants to spin out. Whoa! And yeah! San Francisco Bridge. No way! There's Driftland. Whoa. Madness. Well, welcome to Driftland, guys. Yeah, okay. What do you need? The name?
Yes.
That's me.
Yeah, yourself,
me.
Yeah.
That's me.
Enjoy your day, guys.
Thank you. Wow. I don't know where to start. Whoa, that kid is young. Whoa, he's got 2 cars, geez. So who's already here then?
You need to sign up in the office down on the corner, and then you can get those straps, 2 for 15, 1 for 10. So better just get 2 and speak to the guy. Ask for Stuart.
Stuart. Alright. Okay then, thank you very much. I'll go there right now. Well, this is nice.
You need to sign up anyway, so you better get going.
Alright. So one thing to mention which I totally forgot. When you go to Driftland, you have to get a strap on front and the back. You have to have that as a compliance for the car, which I haven't got, so I need to go buy some at Driftland right now. The briefing. This is crazy, it's exciting, it's amazing to see people of all ages with all their cars that they build themselves in the drifting gear. It's just amazing to see. Can't wait to get on track. Sick man, practice makes perfect guys. First gear. Oh crap. Whoa. Oh my life. Sorry man. Oh crap. Jeez. Whoa! Whoa! E-brake! Drift, I'm like... Man, I'm just spinning here like crazy. Alright, let's do this one right here now. Initiate the turn, second gear drift. Oh my life! That's the second time in. Slightly getting better, starting to drift, but I think the more time I go on the track, the more time I get, the more mistakes I make, the more better I'll get. So some turns I'm spinning it, and the pro drifter said to me, the more you spin out, the more you gotta learn. Weirdly enough, I know people might think I'm not doing it properly, but if I don't spin out, it means I'm not trying my best. But it is what it is. To me it feels like I think I get it sometimes in the first gear. Second gear is where you should be in when you're drifting, even if the car's not powerful enough. But once I get it, I get it literally is to hold it, and again, and hopefully the pro drifter takes me out in my own car. He'll show me how it's done.
So when it's 1 minute to go, and then also if you keep an eye on the marshal over that side, you see where the checkered flag is up. I'll just take a time and see how it goes. It kind of high level drifting, people slag and people like they use the hydro, but even in competition you still use it constantly round about here. So like, especially so this car coming around here, say put myself onto more angle, I'll left foot brake, and what that does is it slows the front end of the car down, and if you keep the throttle in, it'll push you onto more angle. But you even use it during transition. So say when you come into a transition, say you slow yourself down and maintain grip in the front end, you'll be dabbing the front brake. It'll just kind of help turn the car in as well. Right, revs. Ran out of luck. It's got it, can do it though.
You make it easy, you do. Wow, you're amazing. How do you make it look so easy, man?
Come on man, get my road. Do you know what? That's me cheating. I'm used to more locking my car.
Man, you make it look easy, man.
Now look at the steering right. Watch me let go. So let go.
Whoa.
Same again here. We dab with the hydro. Let go.
Yeah, that's sick. Oh man.
I can definitely do it.
Whoa. I got that shot.
I've done it again. Yeah, I'll get a wee chance to.
My first kit is perfect though, isn't it?
Aye, it's just me running a lock.
Ah, yeah, I see.
Constant adjustments.
You just turned a basic Lexus to a competition drift car.
Just right, we talking about it.
Oh no, yeah, what the hell? Oh god.
Man, don't spin.
Oh.
spin.
Oh man. It's the lock that let you down.
I know. It just is kind of a, the kind of levels of grip definitely change. That's why I'm using the handbrake a lot. Makes a nice noise though. This is on the limiter.
It's got a half exhaust.
It pops a nice on it, doesn't it?
Yeah, straight six. Everyone's gonna think I'm amazing driver now. Whoa.
When you're sliding it with the handbrake, build the revs up in the clutch. So before you pop the clutch.
Now that I see that the way you use the revs.
Aye, keep the revs up in that. So watch this right, any first rep. So I'll slide it, and right now, building up the revs, building, pop the clutch.
That's all the first gear.
This is all first. It will only take second here.
Yeah, it does.
Tell you what, it's hard work.
It's hard
because
work,
of the seat.
You did that. Sick.
I'm rolling about the seat gear, sell a bucket seat, change the diff, just fit a hydro, and really, that's it.
It's doable, yeah.
That was a good laugh, wasn't it?
That was literally.
By the way, it makes a great noise.
I've never experienced that in my life, so that was unbelievable.